Dude, what do you think you'd be doing if you weren't doing this? Like, let's say Super Meat Boy just didn't land, and the Binding of Isaac never came in your brain. What would you be doing right now? And would you be happy?
I would hope I would be happy. I mean, I would be doing some sort of art. I mean, I could definitely see myself. I could be a Meat Canyon, or Smiling Friends type.
Yeah.
Cartoonist. I could see myself doing that. I could see myself being an Alex Pardee artist. I could see myself doing that. But I chose the stupidest, most long-winded fucking art form that has ever existed.
I was just talking to my wife about this. I was like, I feel like I've just chosen a path. And I also do YouTube stuff, man. So like, and I also teach. And it's like, what am I doing? Like, because I used to do Flash animations on Newgrounds, and I used to make movies, and I used to just do stupid stuff that took me like 2 weeks to make, and then you'd get views and people would laugh at it and they'd like it. And it was so instantly rewarding, when I was a teenager and in my 20s. And now it's like, dude, I've been working on this game for 3 years. And this is my third game. And every time I do a game, it takes like minimum 2 to 3 years.
Yep.
And I'm like, why did I choose this path? I mean, I think it's because of money. I mean, it's just that you could build a profitable product. Whereas with like short animations, I'm not sure you could do that. At least there's a trick to it.
You can when you roll the dice with games, there's a higher probability of something paying out.
I mean, is there though? Let's talk about this. Let's talk about the industry right now. It seems like, so John Blow, he was on the podcast. He talked about this, so I don't feel bad talking about it. Braid Anniversary Edition didn't really land very well. And he talked about how, like, well, looking back, it's kind of obvious why it didn't. It's an old game, but he spent a lot of time and money remastering Braid. Yeah. And 2024 did not embrace the game like he hoped it would.
If I re-released Super Meat Boy right now, I feel like the same thing would happen.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same. Like,
so
I don't think that it works for those type of games.
A platformer.
I re-released Gish. It didn't fucking
really
care. Yeah, no.
Well, when you say that though,
it made a good amount of money for Alex, the guy that I made it with. Like he needed some money, and we re-released it, and it sold. It sold enough for him to pay rent, and which is good.
When was that? When did you release that?
I don't know. Like
the remaster,
4 years ago.
Okay.